In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluid. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluid Slide Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then choose Consent, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. When you finished, click on this gear at the top left corner. Manage all of those wallpaper options however you want to, or click on Presets and tap on the best one for you. Then select Yes and adjust all of its settings. When you're ready, click on this X at the top right corner and those three lines at the bottom right corner. Then tap on Set as Live Wallpaper, hit Yes, tap on Apply and go back. As you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!